TBR, TBR, TBR. Oh my god, look at them all. It's quite a nice city, isn't it, Edinburgh? I like it.
Seems to be taking forever to get out of the city.
Yeah, I'm not quite sure which. We didn't come in this way.
No.
Right, I think we're on this until we get to the A1M now. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the ride. View. That Isle of Skye ride was the worst I've ever had to experience. But I've done it now, so I feel like I can almost go anywhere.
Yeah.
It's like a scene from Seven, isn't it? What an absolutely gorgeous day. So who most surprised you? Of all the people that we met on that Sunday night, who did you end up warming to that you didn't think you would? Mike was really easy to get on with.
Yeah.
Kevin, I mean, he's got a proper wicked streak about him. I mean, some of the things he came out with. I mean, I think the funniest for me, the person that I got on the most with, yeah, definitely Janine. Janine and Sandy were right up there. John and Elaine were just absolutely adorable. Malcolm, I mean, oh my god, you could sit and listen to him all day, couldn't you?
Yeah, they all had a really calming influence.
Yeah. Sanjay had the most calming.
Yeah. He was almost like Buddha-like. Like
Yeah,
Zen.
yeah.
He was the first one that came up to me and he said, I have to give you a cuddle.
What, after the accident?
Yeah.
Yeah. Got to overtake all these bloody cars again now.
Oh well.
Right, we've got 298 miles to go, and we've got 315 mile in the range.
Okay.
These roads are like being back up in the Highlands and Islands again. Sweeping bends.
Yeah, I just don't think we enjoyed it on the way up because of the weather.
Yeah. There's no way I could do this on that old Harley that I had.
Popular biker stop. Oh, there's the England stone. Welcome to Northumberland. Yes. So on that car park there was a big stone. and on one side it said Scotland, and one side it said England.
Ah, we should have stopped there.
We found holes in these walls. We like what we saw. Seems so strong until it falls. The final straw. Oh, I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. Living in a dark, clouded haze, we danced, we fought. We were bound to make mistakes.
See that?
Yeah.
He was just telling his mate, he went, I pulled a wheelie.
We were dancing on wire, reckless, it seemed. I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door. I had no reason to complain. I didn't have the words to explain. I never felt like this before. When I was trapped, you showed an open door.
TBR, TBR, TBR. Oh my god, look at them all. That's probably the entire ownership of TBRs that are actually still running in the country. Getting on the A1 now, baby. You know what that means?
What?
Starbucks galore. So any second, there you go, we've got less than 200 miles now. Woohoo!